Starting already?
$1
$1 million, please.
See something?
Yeah, it sees everything. It's a wide angle.
You want to see the perspective?
No, you can't. You don't need to. Don't worry about it.
This does allow you to secure the home. If in fact you intend to be that very successful bidder here today, please understand that registration is a prerequisite. Upon registering, you will receive a number of paddles. At any time you wish to make that bid, please don't hesitate to do so. However, at that point there, I'll understand that you have made yourself familiar with these terms and conditions, and that you understand that the name that is on the bidder's registry must match the one on the contract at the end of the day. I understand that you are more than welcome to bid on behalf of another party here this morning. However, once again, I obviously need that in writing to carry out those requests. And finally, bidders, do understand, we are in Queensland.
You hired?
In Queensland, we are able to bid as a vendor bid on behalf of our client. We are able to bid up to the point of reserve.
No?
Yours
And we
is
can do it
filming.
multiple times.
This is lie down.
If need be.
It's the lie down.
Yeah.
But I want
That's
to make it
right.
really,
Yeah.
really clear
What?
here today.
It's the lie
That's
down
not what
in
I'm
front.
about. In
That's
fact, I would much prefer
the light.
to stay out of
Yeah.
it.
good. Thanks, man.
And if that's going to be the case, then I'm going to need your spirited bidding and for you to stay involved throughout this process.
It's best I
But
put
the
it
biggest
up now.
questions we have here today
Same thing.
He's gonna drag.
are who's going to walk away with the keys?
He's gonna drag.
Who's that successful bidder? Well, let me just say, that the property that we're bidding for today is number 93 Key Street, Newport.
Take a while until he finishes it. Yeah, bring.
That there is a property that we
My hand
can't
is getting tired.
talk any more highly about. This is something that has more than just bricks and mortar to it. I think it's very clear as you make your way through this property here today, you understand what I'm talking about. You get that the people that have built this home, they built it with a little bit more passion, a little bit more gusto, a little bit more excitement. They know what they wanted to put on the table here today. They understood the process well enough to dot their I's. Taking your dreams away. What's that cost? Where does the price that we need to determine here today? How do we reaffirm value on such a unique and quality home? Well, Newport is by far one of the fastest growing suburbs on the northern part of Brisbane. Half an hour, either which way you want to go. Water, by all means, it's just here, but if this is not the water you need, it's not far away from the beach. It's not far away from the city. Boxes are being ticked, left, right, centre. The only thing we need to determine here today, ladies and gentlemen, is what is that worth. And for that, I need your assistance. For that, I need your bidding. So, I ask the question, where do we start? There's enough people here to give me a Mexican way.
Starting already?
$1
million, please.
Sir, thank you so very much. I'm really enjoying that GoPro on the side of the head. That is impressive. I hope I end up looking good on the camera. At $1 million, we'll take your bidding, sir, and we'll go forward from there if you like. At $1 million, that's champagne buying at their prices if you ask me. At $1 million, I'll invite you in. Maybe at 1.1, maybe that's a logical choice from there. At 1.1, we invite you in if anyone else surely is considering that as an option. At $1 million now, we take the bid and we'll take to 1100 if you need to. At $1 million now, we have anyone else that wants to play. At $1 million now, we'll go again if you like and invite you in 50, take the 50 and we go again from there. At 150 now, we go again, it's $1,050, we go again now. At $1,050 now, back at you, sir, I'll give you the same courtesy if you like. You can go again if you like, don't hesitate to participate. At $1,050 now. At $1,050, I'll give you the same chance I've given everyone else at $1,050 now, first call.
Me as well.
Won't sell.
Second call, $1,050, I'll give you the same courtesy, sir, it's against you. Can I invite you in, sir, and give you another chance? At this point in time, the keys sit firmly, not in your pocket. At the moment at $1,050, I'll give you the third, I'll give you the final call. By all means, the interest is far greater than this, but obviously we want to get the ball rolling. I need your participation. At $1,050 now, I invite you in and we go again if you like. $1,050 now is the call. At $1,050 3 times.
Would you put it on the market?
If you get involved, by all means, I'm happy to give you the keys.
No. Would you put it on the market at 105?
At this stage, sir, we both know that that's not going to happen. But by all means, if you give another bid, I'll give you a little closer step towards the keys. Can I get another interest? Surely at 50. Surely at 1-1, we have ourselves an opportunity. I mean, we didn't come here to see me talk.
Sorry, mate. No.
Told you accepted. At 150 now. At 150 is the call. We'll go again if you like. We'll give you the same courtesy.
Can I steal you for a sec?
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it's all right. It's okay.
Okay, so at this point in time, wonderful. All right, I'll do that. I'll have the
All right,
conversation.
go
We'll
for
move
it.
from there.
No worries.
Thank you.
Oh, good. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Yep. Finish. Done.
So what do you think? What do you think is the minimum price they're gonna accept?
I won't talk about it here.
No, not you. Them.
I don't know. Not enough information. Not enough information.
You're still filming.
Why not? Let's say this. I have very bad short-term and long-term memory. But
Okay. Since I had the stroke, me too.
yeah.
So we can relate now.
But technology helps me. Yeah. Yeah.
Because memory can fake. Yeah, recording is never fake. You can also people want to kill. What? Yes, okay. Yeah, all the time. This is like such a rule actually. No, you need to take recording. Yeah, never fast.
Satoshi's vision. Let's see how Satoshi's vision doing today.
Satoshi vision doesn't matter. Bitcoin Cash is more important.
Yeah.
How much is Bitcoin Cash?
Cash 586.63 today.
Yeah. That's Aussie dollar, isn't it?
I got like 20. Not impressive.
It doesn't need to be. Think about it. If Bitcoin Cash goes to $500,000 coin, how much is your
Bitcoin Cash.
Yeah, $500,000. I think
That's
so.
happening.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what what's his name said he's gonna do.
You're gonna do
Gonna
what?
eat my dick.
You mean John McAfee?
John McAfee.
Don't say that out loud because someone will hold up to you. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Shit, you're still filming.
Well, Bitcoin Cash goes to $500,000, you eat your own dick, right? You say that. Christian
Maybe.
said that.
It can be interpreted that way, but in fact, I was saying that it could be a possibility only.
All right. Let's just say this. I would like to watch that. Yeah. You know, John McAfee said the opposite. If it does not go to 1 million, he eats his own dick for BTC.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The opposite of that.
Yeah.
So you are the opposite of John McAfee. Yeah. No, I really believe it. In about 7 years' time, 6.5 years' time, we should be looking at $500,000 coin.
Litecoin has gone up 11% since yesterday.
Who? What?
Litecoin.
Yeah, I don't have any. But Litecoin dropped so much. It's like,
Yeah, I only check prices on Coinbase. I don't actually have any. I have $86. I have Litecoin.
Reporting time. We are confirming that the property is currently at $1,050,000. However,
You repeated one, not 150.
it's a vendor bid. There's no one else.
we have in front of us a situation where we have multiple people interested in purchasing the property, however, outside of auction conditions.
That's
They
a
are requiring a
standalone
finance form. They are requiring a building and passport, however, I don't think you'll need one.
Oh, EOS has done well today.
What that does lend itself to for anyone that is interested in buying here today is that you don't know where the punches are coming from. The auction process allows an open forum for negotiation, allows you to see what it is your competitors are placing on price. One of my favourite things about it, transparency. Unfortunately, when we head in outside of auction terms, that transparency obviously slightly disappears out of the respect of anyone that's bidding or negotiating moving forward. However, I've disclosed this, I've given you clarity as to where we're going. I'll have no choice, with no further bidding, to pass the property in. I'll give you the 3 calls as standard play. But understand at that point there that you will be expected to negotiate further one-on-one with the vendors and also buying club. First call, second, third, are we all done? Sir, sure.
Done. I'm down here.
You break my heart, you do. All ready for a show with that camera on me.
I picked up someone from the Gold Coast airport in 1 hour time. Sorry, I got it wrong.
Third, final call, are we all done? Are we all finished? Excellent. I hear you loud and clearly. We are officially passing the property in. I wish you the very best of luck, sir. And please don't hesitate to purchase the property under auction conditions or outside. Thank you so much.
All right, that was the spectacle.
Oh, Sonny, we can take the focus. Here we go.
Upstairs in the master bedroom.
Upstairs.
Ah,
We'll
okay.
go
Good
upstairs
to know.
quick as well.
Yeah, me too. You like this one?
This one I like more.
Let's. I go bathroom first. I really have to go. This one they want $2 million. Brand new. Master bedroom. Bath. It's this side. Christian?
Yeah, go ahead.
You're downstairs? Okay. The bathroom's upstairs in the corner. I show you where it is. It's very nice. Please enjoy. You might be using my future house.
Are you talking for the camera now?
No. I mean, I don't care about the camera.
You talk like this normally.
I do. I always do.
Sorry, I got it there. So where's the bathroom?
There it goes. You can come out and wash your hands there.
Yeah.
You can leave your stuff there too. I'll make sure nobody steals it. Yeah. And give me a review of the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay, future millionaire, that is how you do auctions. Yeah. Use everything to your own advantage. Don't just sit there and bid like a crazy, stupid idiot. Yeah. If you can sense there's no one else out there, use it to your advantage. Make sure everyone see it. There's no one else out there. That strengthens your negotiation position, and you will be able to get a better deal after auction. Simple as that. We'll see what happens with that house. We got plenty of options here, a lot of new houses. Someone is always in distress. Someone always cannot pay his mortgage. And when that somebody, who I have no idea who it is, can't pay his mortgage, I'm in there with a cash bid. That's how I do my deals. That's the reason I bought so many properties and never took bank loans, and always made money on every single transaction. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye.